Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and what I want to show you is this sub pump. So there was a ton of water in this crawl space. As you can see, it's flooded out. It's cold mold growth on the floor joists. Now when I crawled over here, I want to show you is that this is sitting on a cinder block. So the float was right about here, and it couldn't go high enough. Not sure if you can see that. Wouldn't go high enough to trip the sub pump, but the metal rod was underwater the entire time. So as soon as I touched it, it disintegrated and fell apart. So now you have to manually hit the switch like this to get the water to come out. Now the issue with this, more issues with this install, is that there's no perforations inside this so-called basin. This isn't a proper basin that got put in, so water from the subsoil can't go into the basin and then exit out through the use of the sub pump either. And then on top of that, there's no backflow preventer, right? So if you don't have a check valve, if you don't have a check valve in here, the water will flow back in. So watch, see, out, then when you turn it off, it comes back in. You have to have a check valve. When it pushes off, it stops that from happening. So this entire sub pump install wasn't done properly, and it's caused a lot of damage and a lot of mold in this crawl space. It's going to have to now be fixed. So before you just hire anybody to install your sub pump, give professionals a call at HydroHero at 302-321-7077, or find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com.